everyone, welcome back to Venta. Today we're talking about a car that holds a very special place in South Asian automotive history, the 2026 Suzuki Mehran. This latest version brings back an iconic name with a modern twist, blending nostalgia with updated styling, better efficiency, and features designed for everyday city driving. The Mehran has always been known as a simple, affordable, and easy-to-maintain car, and the 2026 model stays true to that spirit while adding a fresh identity for a new generation of drivers. Starting with the design, the 2026 Suzuki Mehran looks noticeably more modern than its predecessors. The boxy shape that made the original so recognizable is still there, but now it's refined with smoother lines and better proportions. The front features a cleaner grille design paired with sleeker headlights that give the car a more confident face. The bumper is redesigned to look sportier while still being practical for city roads. From the side, the Mehran keeps its compact dimensions, making it ideal for tight streets and crowded parking areas. But the subtle character lines along the doors add a sense of motion. At the rear, updated tail lamps and a slightly reshaped hatch complete the refreshed look. Overall, the design feels simple, honest, and functional, exactly what Mehran fans expect, but with just enough modern styling to feel relevant in 2026. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Suzuki Mehran is clearly built with efficiency and reliability in mind. It's not trying to be a performance car, and that's perfectly fine. The engine is tuned for daily commuting, offering smooth power delivery and excellent fuel efficiency. Acceleration is modest but predictable, making it easy to drive in stop-and-go traffic. The lightweight body helps the car feel agile in the city, and the steering is light, which is especially helpful for new drivers or those who spend a lot of time navigating busy urban roads. The suspension setup is focused on comfort, absorbing bumps and uneven surfaces reasonably well for a car in this segment. Overall, the Mehran delivers a stress-free driving experience that prioritizes low running costs and dependability. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Mehran shows clear improvements while maintaining a simple and user-friendly layout. The dashboard design is more modern, with better materials compared to older generations. Controls are placed logically, so everything feels easy to reach and understand. The instrument cluster is clear and readable, providing essential information without unnecessary complexity. Seating is designed for everyday comfort, with improved cushioning that makes short and medium drives more pleasant. Despite its compact size, the cabin feels surprisingly airy, thanks to smart packaging and good visibility all around. Rear seat space is suitable for city use, making it practical for small families or daily errands. The boot space is adequate for groceries or small luggage, reinforcing the Mehran's role as a practical urban car. One of the biggest improvements in the 2026 Suzuki Mehran is its focus on modern convenience. The infotainment system, while simple, supports essential connectivity features that today's drivers expect. Audio quality is decent for daily use, and basic smartphone integration makes commuting more enjoyable. Air conditioning performance has been improved to handle hot climates more effectively, which is a big plus for many markets. Storage spaces inside the cabin are thoughtfully placed, offering room for everyday items like phones, bottles, and documents. These small touches make a noticeable difference in daily usability. Safety has also received attention in the 2026 Mehran. While it remains an entry-level car, it now includes essential safety features that enhance peace of mind. Improved braking performance and better structural rigidity help make the car feel more secure on the road. Visibility is excellent, which naturally adds to safety, especially in crowded traffic conditions. The Mehran is designed to be forgiving and easy to control, which is ideal for beginner drivers and those looking for a no-nonsense vehicle for daily use. What really sets the 2026 Suzuki Mehran apart are its unique features and overall philosophy. This car is not about luxury or cutting-edge technology. It's about simplicity, affordability, and trust. The Mehran is easy to maintain, with parts that are accessible and affordable. Its compact size makes it perfect for city life, while its efficient engine keeps fuel costs low. For many buyers, the Mehran represents freedom, independence, and practicality. It's a car that doesn't try to impress with flashy elements but wins hearts by being reliable and honest. Another standout aspect is how approachable the Mehran feels. From the moment you sit behind the wheel, everything feels familiar and straightforward. There's no steep learning curve, no complicated systems to worry about. This makes it an excellent choice for first-time car owners, students, or anyone looking for a dependable second car. The driving experience is calm and predictable, which builds confidence and reduces stress during daily commutes. In the bigger picture, the 2026 Suzuki Mehran continues a legacy that spans decades. It respects its roots while making thoughtful updates to meet modern expectations. It's designed for real people with real needs, offering value where it matters most. Whether it's running errands, commuting to work, or navigating busy city streets, the Mehran proves that simple cars still have an important place in today's automotive world. Thanks for watching.